Here's another tip from Rolling Strong with insights to help you stay healthy on the road.
Hi everyone, this is Coach Cindy. Are sugar and simple carbs like white pasta, white rice, breads, cakes, cookies, candies, sweets your biggest downfall when it comes to eating well? Science shows us that our bodies are indeed hardwired to enjoy the feelings that we get when we eat sugar and white carbs. The sweetness of life, la dulce vida, are quotes that remind us that the so-called sweet life is a metaphor for everything being calm and feeling good. We are programmed to be physically and emotionally drawn to sweetness. But this internal programming sometimes goes a little bit haywire. Science shows us that we can become biologically addicted to sugar, that sugar and simple carbs cause our brain to light up the same way it would if we took an opioid drug. That's scary, right? Here's how it works. We have receptors in our brain cells. When they get activated, we feel pleasure. We feel pleasure because large amounts of a brain chemical called dopamine is released, which triggers this pleasure response. Dopamine is a really feel-good brain chemical that makes you feel alive and energized. It helps with mood, motivation, cognition, memory, attention, and learning, decision-making, and even sleep. Lifestyle factors, poor nutrition, lack of exercise, lack of sleep, too much stress, can cause your dopamine levels to plummet, which means you feel unmotivated, you lose pleasure in life, you feel bored, apathetic, even depressed. Let me ask you, how many times do you find yourself grabbing a cookie to counteract those kinds of feelings? That's right. The sugary cookie gets absorbed into your bloodstream and quickly gives your brain a happy dopamine bath, and suddenly you feel better. This sets up an addictive cycle. You are unknowingly seeking out sugar to boost dopamine to make yourself feel better. Here's what you can do about it. Certain lifestyle changes can help us all reduce our cravings and addiction to sugar. Try to implement these small changes one step at a time. Number 1, balance your blood sugar. Start with breakfast. Fuel your body with sufficient lean protein and healthy fats. Eggs, protein shakes, and raw natural nut butters are all great for breakfast. Skip the muffins, the donuts, and the bread. Eat regular small meals every few hours that include a lean animal protein or seeds or nuts or beans. And finally, don't eat for 3 hours before you go to bed. Number 2, eliminate all sugar and artificial sweeteners. Period. Cold turkey. I promise you, your cravings will go away. To get off sugar, you need to get off sugar. Get rid of all sugar, soda, sweetened or diet iced teas, any kind of juice, and any white carb. Number 3, get 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Research shows us that a lack of sleep increases food cravings. Number 4, nutrients. Get enough vitamin D, fish oil, and magnesium. Vitamin D is tied to the hormones that regulate your appetite. Ask your doctor to check your blood levels and supplement with vitamin D if needed. Better yet, spend some time outdoors every day in natural sunlight. Omega-3 fatty acids come from wild salmon, sardines, trout, mackerel, and walnuts, chia seeds, hemp seeds. All of these can benefit your brain and insulin control as well as quell inflammation in your body. Magnesium is crucial in the regulation of blood sugar, insulin, and dopamine. Magnesium deficiency can cause intense sugar cravings, especially for chocolate. Number 5, manage your stress. Breathe, meditate, relax. Take 5 minutes to center yourself when you feel that craving, and you will feel those cravings dissipate very rapidly. High levels of cortisol in unmanaged stress turn our blood sugar levels into a roller coaster. So breathe. These lifestyle changes can help you find the sweetness in life naturally, not in a piece of candy. So enjoy and have a naturally sweetened, awesome day, everyone.
We're glad to offer these podcasts and we hope you find them useful. At Rolling Strong, we're here to help.